My favorite song as a child, singing in church, was "Let There Be Peace on Earth, and Let It Begin With Me." And it is beginning with me.
I think that gun violence is preventable, and it's sad that we've lost so many people already to such a terrible thing.
In an effort to take a tangible stand for peace, we here at Mile High have decided to set the intention to fold 33,215 cranes.
I'm making these cranes for my daughter who my family lost to gun violence.
I know how my family felt after the murder of a dear loved one.
We are nearing our target. We've got a few thousand more to go, but happily we have a lot of interest, a lot of people who are folding and stringing and lending whatever talents they have to this project.
I love the challenge of creating more love and peace in the community and in the world through this project.
I am 14 years old.
This Peace Crane project is so much bigger than any one of us. This means everything to my generation.
They're sitting elbow to elbow at these tables and they're folding and they're creating. It's just the most amazing project I've ever seen here at Mile High Church.
This is what I want to do, and it's just a wonderful thing to do. And here I am, folding cranes, stringing cranes.
And it is very relaxing, and it's been a lot of fun.
Keep fighting for a peaceful world, because if we come together, we can accomplish that.